This is downtown, old downtown Yuma. Bunch of old buildings and stuff, but basically tourist stuff in them. Not a lot to see. This is downtown, old downtown Yuma. Bunch of old buildings and stuff, but basically tourist stuff in them. Not a lot to see, really, but there's an old casino that's got stores and shops in it, so we're going to look around and see what we find. Some old restaurants. That's an interesting bicycle rack, Shirley. Look at it. Then like a rusty fork. Prison Hill Brewing Company.
That's for you, right?
Yeah. Hey, Ray. We're at the Prison Hill Brewing Company. Want a beer? It's Italian. Fits in good with the Southwest decor. Yeah, not much on this side of the street. Old Yuma Theater. I guess it looks like an art gallery now. Yep, Yuma Art Center. Imagine that. Postcards. Too bad I can't eat hot food anymore. I'd love some of them jelly beans.
You take home with John and Jack.
Oh yeah, that'd be good, yeah. Don't tell them. Yeah. Not a whole lot in Old Town Yuma. Alright, this is the Yuma Territorial Prison. It's an old prison. And probably made famous by a movie, but there were some famous desperados in here too, so pretty cool place. We're going to take a look. Yes, I do see him way out there. I don't know if you can hear the jets or not. Not that far from the base. Heading out that way to the range. Definitely be kicking it. So that's the guard tower. Apparently this is the way you used to get into the prison right here. Guard shack where you check your weapons, your 6-shooters, and your shotguns. All right, here's the good cells at the old prison.
I just got word that the governor is
Get
giving
the
the
thunder
apartment,
mug there.
getting out on December 30th.
I just like to be held up in air. That's what's called never seeing the light of day. Not look like fun sleeping in here. I said, does not look like fun sleeping in here. Don't be closing that door.
You know,
Shirley trying to lock me up. Not that I don't need to be locked up once in a while, but you know. Isn't that that dark? Just gotta watch out for the bats. A dead body in area. Oh, this must be the jail saloon.
Okay guys, this is the what you can see from the old guard tower at the Yuma Territorial Prison. That was really interesting. It was a little noisy in the museum because there was a lot of kids there that day, but a great place to visit. We spent quite a bit of time there checking it out. So that and downtown Yuma is yeah, not worth really going to. Bunch of empty buildings, and they don't really even look like they're from that section of time there. So, but the visitor center was very interesting, and I suggest you go there first and really learn more about the area. So thanks for watching, guys. We hope to see you again down the road. Where we go from here, we're not sure, but give us a like and please subscribe, and we'll get back to you then. Take care. Have a good one.